Is that a penis or a hand?
Pow!
Draw pow in there.
This is dumb.
Ready?
No, it's not. No.
Wow.
We haven't seen you in a while. And it just is really sad without you. You see this?
Crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears. We don't know what to do anymore. There's no more parties. There's no more thumbs
My
up.
roots are showing.
High fives. I don't even know what to do anymore.
Oh, I want to be a rabbit.
Here, no, you could be his favorite person.
Hello?
Blink. It knows when you blink.
I'm trying, it's not blinking. What the hell?
It just blinked.
Stop. What does Abraham Lincoln say? Fourscore! Sam, it's not. It's mouth. It's not.
7 years ago.
You don't sound like Abraham Lincoln.
Fourscore.
And 7 years ago.
Look, we can be in a terminal. I always do this with Anna. I go, "Why are you in my window?" We could be spies.
You're getting sniped. That's not a spy. You're gonna get killed.
Or we can do funny faces. We could have magic. What is this?
Ah, presents.
Look, it's us in bubbles.
Stop, I love bubbles. You just ruined it for me. Wait. What's that?
What?
That.
It's just a bunch of beer pouring on you.
Yes.
Or I could be on fire. Or not. Ah!
Are you okay?
Or we could be some stars.
I am a star.
Okay, we'll just do the clouds again.
Go back to the places. Oh, why is there a watermelon?
I'm mad.
What about the places? That's a watermelon head.
Mm-hmm. Your face! You look so like. What's this? Which one?
The watermelon.
Oh wait,
head.
I can have cucumbers on my face. Hold on. Why isn't it working?
Cucumbers. Probably because you're moving. Oh god.
Oh, we'll just do the clouds again.
Stop doing the cloud. Do a destination.
Where?
Oh shit, my hair is literally on fire. Taking redhead.
You be in the theater?
Ah!
I don't know where this is.
I wish I could moon it.
Jumbo screen! Why are you in my window? Or you could be in a Polaroid. Or you could be in the 50s.
I don't like the 50s.
Or you could be in Times Square.
No, never mind. That was 1920s. I was gonna say something about prohibition.
BAM! Or we could just be like,
What? Is that like
we're not putting this on Jordan's wall.